Hello everyone, this is Aya from Hinawi Software. As you can see here, I have Hinawi Software desktop application opened in front of me, and also I'm logged in from the admin account. Basically, the main difference between the admin account and all the other accounts is that the admin permissions and user access list is fully complete for the admin. So basically, the admin is the only person who must have all the permissions available and permitted for him or her. So basically, I'm always using the admin account in the videos in order to show you everything and in order for it to be displayed completely. Basically, this is an overview regarding the fixed assets module. So we are going to go through the fixed assets in general, what it contains regarding both settings, menu, and reports. So let's first go to the file menu, and then let's go to setup modules. As you can see here, among all these modules and among all these settings for the different modules, we have one of which is the fixed assets settings. So the fixed assets settings contain three main parts which are very crucial regarding the fixed assets. We first have the category settings, we also have the general settings, and finally we have the asset insurance setup. So those are the main three parts of the settings. As you can see here in the category and account settings, those are the aspects in it, basically regarding the category, of course, the fixed asset account, the accumulated depreciation account, the expense cost account for, and the disposal account. And as you can see here, this is the table we have, which includes the category, the account name, the account kind, and the account type, and all of which is displayed in a kind of list format, which contains like the chart of accounts and all in order to choose from easily and precisely. So that is the first settings we have. The second settings or setup is the general settings. So basically this one is straightforward. We have the minimum purchase date of the fixed asset, the depreciation method, the depreciation periods too, in months, and here we choose the path basically of any asset's image to be saved. Where exactly in the PC will it be saved? So this is the path, and here you can define the fields. So basically so many different fields to be defined regarding the user. So that is one important thing also regarding the general settings. And finally we have the asset insurance setup. So in the asset insurance, we here have the insurance type, whether third party or partial. So this is regarding the settings. Now regarding the menu itself, this is how it looks like. We first have creating a new asset or to use an existing asset. This is the complete item list which we have, and then there is the purchase new asset, whether it's in three different types, whether in cash, whether in check, whether in bank transfer, also creating a bill for the new asset. As you can see here, all these modes and all these types of payment regarding the purchase of any new asset. Also regarding the maintenance, as you can see here, so many different branches regarding this topic, whether we're talking about any new complaint or maintenance to be created, or any existing one to be edited, or any existing one to be printed as well. We also have the action on regarding those complaints and maintenance. And in the job card, you can create a job card, of course, depending on the complaints and maintenance, or the other type is to create a new job card, a completely new job card. You can edit that job card later on, and finally you can print it. We also have different actions regarding this job card which has been created, edited, printed, and finally we have three different payment modes regarding the job card, whether it's in cash invoice, whether it's in credit invoice, or in bill. So those are the different methods which we have included. Next, we have creating a bill for insurance. You can also transfer the assets. So whether we are talking about creating a new asset transfer or printing that transfer of assets. So both are available. And finally, the last step in any fixed asset is the disposal. From here, we can dispose the asset which has previously been selected and had all the different actions on it. We can also edit that disposed asset and finally approve. So this is where permissions come in hand. So basically, this is very important because some users might have this available feature for them to approve. Others might not have this permission for them, depending on the user access list, because this is a very, very crucial step and it's very sensitive to approve a disposal. And finally, we have the collection for disposed asset. So it's pretty simple and straightforward. It's very, very important to have a fixed assets, depending, of course, on the business, on the company, on the workplace. And finally, of course, we have the more information where you can see an entire workflow and also a manual in order to use the menu smoothly. Finally, in the reports criteria right here, in the reports category, we have so many different types of reports, which of course includes the fixed assets reports. So from here you can see all outcomes, all results, everything that has been created earlier in the system, everything that has been inserted, everything that has been added, edited, printed, all the types of reports you can easily find here. This includes an entire list of the fixed asset. You can also view it in a detailed form. You can view the fully depreciated asset and also the depreciation by asset, any monthly or yearly depreciation. So we have two categories in that, and depreciation by the customer or job. We also have the asset disposal report and all the expiry dates, which will all be included in one report, the insurance, the summary of the total accumulated, and also we have the maintenance reports for the fixed assets. This includes the job card, the complaint, the comprehensive complaint, and the comprehensive job card list. We also have the attachments for the fixed assets, and finally we have the asset transfer history. And also don't forget, you can switch to Arabic or English anytime at the time of using the software. And you can easily see all related videos about the fixed assets module from this icon right here. And don't forget to check out everything that has been newly updated and added to the latest purchase of the system and to the latest package here in the What's New icon. So this is it regarding today's video. I hope it was an easy overview of the software. So I hope it was an easy topic for today, and the overview was very simple and straightforward. Please don't forget to like this video and ask us in case you have any questions, of course, and subscribe to our channel, share it with everyone interested in the fixed assets module or any other module in the software. And of course, don't forget to watch our other videos in case you're looking for a more detailed explanation regarding these modules. And thank you.